Yo, welcome to another Power Play Palace. It is Friday morning. Spy did his normal thing yesterday. We just gonna get right into it. Yesterday, Spy was being Spy. Come out at open, run up 67873, hold around, and boom, nice rejection, pull back up 677, boom, come on back down 673 range. Then by the end of the day, it was back at 676. Pretty strong moves on the Spy yesterday. Let's look at the chart here from yesterday. Alright, so we was looking out for a breakout above 674.88, entry 675, 675.30, and then we're gonna run all the way up to 674 with the stop at 674.40, 676, 678.20, and 680.40 would be a good challenge area for because it was the previous day's high. So what you got was you were able to actually see that kind of play out. Now, Spy opened at 675. It pulled back to 673, back up to 676, 675, 676 area, back down, but then it ran all the way up there, stopping at 678.73. So you hit almost every level on the chart that way. And then up here on the other side, it could have played that all the way back down. It got up here. Stalled out, came back, double top, pushed it all the way back down to 672.91 area. So you could have played this all the way back down to 672.91 and then, played it back and forth from there. So that was a pretty good day yesterday. Depending on your timing and how you got into trades and when you got into trades, you should have been able to turn profit. Either way, depending on when you got into the market, if you followed the chart. All right, let's look at the chart for the day. See what we got here. It's Friday, so let's see what we got here. Yesterday, Spy range from 672.91 to 678.74. And today we sitting in the upper middle of that range. We're below yesterday's high, so resistance is still a little bit overhead, but buyers are defending support. This put us in a neutral bias early with some clear direction once we break the pre-market range. Now our key decision zone today is going to be 675, 665 to 677.25. And if Spy holds, breaks and holds above 677.25, we'll be looking for a long between 677.35 and 677.65 with my stop loss at 676.80 with target 678.10, 678.90, and 679.80. And this will be on the continuation setup. So if Spy continues on the way that it's currently going and it holds up above that 677.25, that's what we'll be looking for these plays at. Now, if Spy pushes into that 677, 677.30 area and then it stall out, you'll be looking for some rejection. That'll be a rejection. Look for a little pullback. Put your stop above 677.70 with target 676.30, 675.70, and 674.90. And this will be what we consider a failed breakout because it pushed up into that area, but it didn't hold up like it did yesterday with that double top. And then it pushed back down, and then your targets, like I said, will be 676.30, 675.70, and 674.90. And so that's what we'll be looking for there. Now, what we'll be doing, remember, I trade off the 5-minute chart. So I'll be looking for a strong candle above the 5 minute. I mean, after 5 minute close, above or below one of these key areas, and then from there, that's where we'll be getting in. And then try not to chase it. Keep your stop losses tight, and then scale out. At each one of your target areas, keep you a couple runners. That way you can keep up with what's going on. But that's your spy trade plan for today. We're gonna be bullish above 677.25 and bearish below 676, 675.66. And then with anything in that range like a chop zone, so be careful and trade with your levels, not with your emotions. So if anything in this video helped you, make sure, man, you hit us with the like, share, and subscribe. And leave me some comments if you think, some recommendations if you feel like, I could add more or you want to see more, just let me know. We'll add it. But if you want to join the group, come on over to Power Plays, man. Our Discord. Join us, have fun, trade with us, and then, just, try to earn you some money if you can. Like, that's what we're trading for. But remember, this is not financial advice. These are just some ideas from a person that trade every day. So if you like what you saw, follow the charts and able to learn and grow from it, give us a like, share, and subscribe, and come over and join us at Power Plays, man. Until then, we'll see you on Monday for another Power Plays. Y'all have a good one, man.
Thank you very much. Here, well, yes, it's good. And very, 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 very,